Hey guys, RR expert. Sorry for the long intro, but I think it needs to be said, that ICT is he's a psychopath. But if you're a psychopath, it doesn't matter. But it really shocks me that a lot of you people, you will just believe anything this person says, man. But whatever, man. Enough about ICT. Let's do some trading. Um, Let me see here. Don't look at the amounts, guys. It's about the model. I'm going to have a big stop loss because I was still baffled by ICT's nonsense. But we should have entered around these areas. Hey, you see these wicks? You see how beautiful the price is saying, hey, we're going to go down. Let's try to look for another trade. Sometimes when you enter, the price spikes up. When that happens, be content with what you can take and grab here. Yeah, so I was lucky, but when you try to enter here, but the price does this and then enters, you're gonna be in the trade. So just grab what you can grab, even if it's just to break even with your fees and commissions. Yeah. Okay, let's look for the next one. Let's go long again. We have a swing low here. We can use that as our stop loss. It's gonna be big. Let's just put it here. Yeah. So it retraces. Let me enter again. So now you have a better risk to reward. Again, you're risking it. They might be $100. Huh? I keep mentioning this, so don't look at these amounts. Huh? And if you want to do 2 entries, so one way you want to enter, and the other one when it does a retracement, or maybe you want to go in with half of it and then do 25 when it retraces, or maybe 50 when it retraces. Oh, sorry, this should be 50. So this is all part of risk management. So you have your model, and your risk management is doing this. So constantly asking yourself, so how much am I going to invest? So I'm expecting the price to do this. I've explained this in previous videos. When you have this on the left side, it's kind of going to struggle here unless it's the 9:30 open or there is a news event. Yeah, these are the only 2 times that it just goes through it. And there are some random things that can cause the price to just go through here. That's, for example, I don't know, some world event, I don't know, a country is invading a country, all this garbage. But again, expect the price to struggle here. And you can decide whether you want to now put your stop loss here or maybe here, you know. It's all up to you. Let's just give it some space, you know. Let's just grab this, you know. Let's not, again, that's what I'm doing. It doesn't matter for me whether it's 120 or 160. I'm not gonna cry for $40. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, this is not really part of the model that I'm teaching, but this is what I'm doing, and you're gonna develop this. If you understand price action, you're just gonna screen these assets, you know, your favorite assets. I have them all in here, the ones that I like, except this one. I'm never trading this one. Let's see what the price is doing here. Okay. I would not consider this a trade, so ignore this one. Yeah. But because I saw the price going up, I just collapsed the trade. You know, I didn't have time to look in the higher time frame, so I said I'm just going to collapse it. But just ignore this one. Yeah, we're going to say that this isn't really like us. Just pretend we didn't enter here. Again, I'm looking at this, and then I'm going to see if I can do a short here, and just for educational purposes, just to show you. So not only am I saying it, I'm also gonna enter, and you see, so barely. So let's see if it wants to come down here again, and then we might close the trade. Yeah. So again, now you see what's happening when you see this on the left side. When you see this, it's going to struggle. Yeah. And this is where you want to try to look for your entries. You want to look for these things. Yeah. If you're into scalping, like what I'm doing, I'm not saying the price is now going to come here. That's not what I'm saying. Yeah. Keep that in mind, guys. I get a lot of questions in my DM. Some of you send me screenshots. Some of you send me videos. I appreciate this. You know, I like the ones who actually record their stuff. And but you know, you guys, you want to enter somewhere, and then you aim. You know, our first trade we did today in this video. You don't want to have these kinds of one-on-one, you know, because this is very low probability. But these one-on-ones, they happen, you know. Like for example, let's say this is one-on-one. Let's just say this one-on-one. You can see, you see those sensitive areas. For example, this one is a difficult one because you see it's barely tapping in the bottom side of this entire thing. Let me mark this so you guys understand what I'm saying. So if you take this entire thing here, you know, supply, demand, whatever you want to call it, yeah, you don't even have to label it. Just watch out for these things. You see, it barely touches the halfway point. So sometimes it comes here, sometimes here, but you just wait for the moves, you know, these moves that go down. For example, we're seeing here, you know, so our entry was really good, but my focus is risk management. I keep repeating this, even if it's just $15 or $30, because I'm doing 10 of these trades, 20 of these trades a day. Yeah, I'm just grabbing it. And sometimes I have a loss, two losses or three losses, and then maybe I'm now minus 200 in one trade, not in multiple trades. But it doesn't matter because I might have made already 300. And you could say, wow, 200 is a big loss. It is, but I'm doing multiple trades. But again, you have to like develop your own model. That's the whole thing. And model does not only mean where you do the entries, but also your risk management. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if the price wants to continue to go down. I'm going to go short here. Again, very small scalps. You see how much volume there is. Only this, from this point all the way till here, is going to be 230, man. So you have to be careful about 930 openings. You see how, because they look small, from this price point till here. But if you look at the when you look at the price here, you see 326, 340. That's like 20 points, you know. Okay, a loss, no problem. I'm gonna look for the next one. So the 4-hour candle is gonna open, and like, let me see, in 4 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna enter here because I'm seeing this strong move down, and my initial thinking was the price is gonna go down. So this is how I trade. I just re-enter, you know. If you've been watching my videos, let me try to get a good one-on-one here. Let me see. Always keeping my finger ready here. You know, I'm just gonna grab this. And also, hopefully, we got some of our previous money back. But if you've been watching my videos, most of the trades that we are doing, they always go to one-on-one, almost. You know, so you can just let it run. So it depends on what you are doing. If you're only doing one trade a day, you're just gonna let it run. Yeah. So you enter. I mean, you're gonna do the one-on-one, but you're gonna let it go to its target. But again, this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys, because if you're taking this loss here, and then the price does this, it means you're almost there. You're understanding price action. If this would have happened, if I would have entered here and the price would have done this, then I'm basically stopping. I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna stop trading, because then my bias is completely wrong. Yeah. But when you get stopped out barely, this is not a big deal. You just re-enter, you know. And again, if you follow the rules that I'm giving you, so if you're willing to risk 100, you know, sometimes enter with 20, and then sometimes enter with 10. Yeah, these are the rules. Don't look at the prices that you're seeing on this chart, because I'm only showing you the model, like trying to explain to you where to enter, where not to enter. None of this ICT garbage. I'm gonna keep repeating this. None of this hocus pocus guys explaining you 20-minute videos, 30-minute videos, so-called in-depth videos, giving names to these candles. Somebody, he wrote me something. He said science candle. What the fuck is that? You know, science candle. Since when is there a science candle? But anyway, let's continue. Let's continue. It is going to attack this for sure, because we're seeing the speed here. Wait, let me get a better stop loss. Wait one moment. Let me get a better risk to reward. Let me see if this is possible. Maybe here. Again, I'm talking, yeah, so that's why I'm really sloppy with my stop loss and take profit. So normally when I'm not talking, I'm just looking at this. I'm looking at this. So I'm only doing my entries here. So candle opens. Hopefully it's going to fill, because this happens when suddenly volume kicks in. You're going to have problems with getting in and getting out. Keep this in mind, guys. These are all like the mind games of trading. You have to know what you're doing. So 4-hour candles. Again, this is not part of the model, but in my experience, when the price is trending and the candle opens, but these are all things that you can ask me, you know, in the Discord. These are all things that happen, but they're not high probability. I'm teaching you high probability things. And watch my other videos, guys. I'm talking about the 4-hour opening and the 1-hour opening. So let's see if we can do a few more trades here. Let's see if maybe the price wants to go long here. Wait, what is BTC doing? Nah. There's immense speed today, man. Lots of volume also. I'm just gonna take this. It's really tempting, you know, to just let it run. But my experience is it's just gonna, yeah, it's gonna break your moral. You know, it's you're at some point you have so many losses. You're not gonna do that. You know, you see, we're looking for high probability trades, and we just scalp something. You know. Let's see for a short now. Again, comes in these sensitive areas here. Yeah, the price is moving too fast, so you don't want to be in here. And you're also seeing this wick here. So, meaning the price has already gone down. And this is only the 1 minute candle. Eh? See this big, meaning in this candle, it did this immense move. Look how many handles, this 35, 32 handles. Yeah. But yeah, really tempting to go in here, man. But you don't want to put your stop loss here. Maybe if it retraces up. I just want to mention, this is a message for all the ICT people out there. I think most of you people have noticed that ICT is gonna start with his 2025 mentorship. And this is now the real deal. So he posted something on the community tab that the definitive version of the smart money concept is going to start in 2025. You know, instead of like coming in my Discord and then, you know, yelling at me in the DMs or commenting on the videos, ask yourself, isn't ICT admitting that he has not given you his full model when he's now saying that 2025 is going to be the definitive of his smart money concepts? Imagine those people who are charter members, who paid $5,000 to be in his mentorship. This was a private mentorship. And imagine these people not getting the full model. But he's going to give the full model in 2025, guys. And you guys believe this. You guys believe it. It's shocking, man. It's absolutely shocking. It just baffles me how this guy is able to manipulate you guys, man. I just don't... I've never seen such a thing, man. Let me collapse the trade, man. I'm talking too much. You know, I think a lot of you people, you should see the doctor, man. Yeah. Wait, let me get... This is what happens, you know, when you talk about irrelevant people. These things happen. But again, you know, ask yourself this question: how is it possible? How is it possible that the mentorship has not ended yet? You know, I'm really curious. You know, I want to hear you guys' opinions about this, because yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what to say, man. And it will not shock me that in 2026 he's going to have something else again, and in 2027 he's going to have something else again. But again, guys, I don't feel sorry for you, man. Yeah, you guys, you fall for this nonsense. It is your own fault. But anyway, I wanna know this from you guys, from the IST people. When does the mentorship end? When do you guys have everything in your arsenal that you have all the tools that you can finally trade ICT. This is what I want to know from you guys. And don't come and comment and swear by it that it works and not showing the proof. You don't have to show your statements. I don't want to see your money. You can show me this in paper trading. Yeah, because for me, it's not about you becoming a millionaire. For me, it's you showing me through videos like I am doing, like a long video where you're doing multiple trades and not just one trade. I can also do one trade and then upload this on YouTube and say, hey guys, look, I have a model. No. Show me the proof. I'm going to give you $10,000 if you do this. Yeah? I'm going to give you $10,000 if you show me the proof on video. And maybe you're going to do it because 2025 is going to be the definite smart money concept model. And I already have my popcorn ready, man. Okay, guys, let's do one more trade. And let's call it a day, you know. Sometimes when you're very confident, you're going to enter with your entire amount that you want to risk for the day. So I'm always talking about $100. And then you're entering with the entire amount. Maybe one more. Maybe one more. Let's see if this sensitive area here might want to present a short. Yes, it does, but I'm too slow. Let's just collapse this. I'm too slow. Let me see. Now, again, a willingness for the price to go up. And again, not the best stop loss, but let's just scalp something, you know. Yeah, as you see, I don't like that. I don't like when the price just goes up and then suddenly go down. I just collapse the trade, you know. I don't think I made any money here, but it doesn't matter, you know. I don't want to lose money. That's my whole thing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop this video. I'm not really seeing anything else. In my opinion, the price is getting a bit difficult. I didn't watch gold. What is gold doing? I mean, I didn't watch gold that much. Let's see. Maybe on gold. One more trade here to the upside. Yeah, we're gonna have a big stop loss. So let's aim here. I'm not really seeing anything. I mean, not on NQ, but I was too focused on this asset. I'm just gonna close it. I'm also tired. Guys, have a good weekend, man, and hopefully to see you in the next year. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow, but if I don't see you, Happy New Year, guys, and good trading in 2025, man. Bye-bye.